Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria and this is going to be the only intro into a number of declutter videos. So, what you're watching is what was on the title of the video, mainly because I'm not going to be able to do this more than once because I'm upset. I did make the decision, if you didn't know, to not do makeup videos on this channel anymore, mainly because I'm not going to have time. I just won't have time, and I had to get my priorities straight, and I can't be spending a lot of money on makeup anymore. So yeah, I'm very, very sad. There are a couple of brands that no matter if I am doing videos or not, I'm going to be buying from them. Cheapest Place is one of them. Pat McGrath, Dear Katie Brown, I still intend to get all of their glitters. So I'm not going to not buy makeup. I'm just not going to buy as much as I used to. And I am going to be brutally decluttering a lot of my stuff. I'm going to take all of my makeup and put it into one makeup bag, which is a Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This is the makeup bag I'm going to be decluttering into. And what you don't know is this bag, this entire bag, is full of liquid lipsticks. So if you understand the massive amount of makeup that I am getting rid of. Anyway, I'm just going to take all my favorite palettes, highlighters, bronzers, whatnot, and make them all fit in that one little bag. Oh, no, palettes, no. The only palettes I am keeping are the ones in this back box. If you want to see that declutter, let me know. I will do it. I'll make it the last video. Anything that I can sanitize will be going on Poshmark. Stuff I cannot sanitize will be giving to family members, friends, things like that. So anyway, without further ado, if you want to see my declutter, then let's get started. Hello! Today we are going to be doing blushes and bronzers. These are the blushes from my previous video that I am not getting rid of. So we are going to go ahead and keep those. And then that's the other one. Alright, so we're going to do the loose stuff first, and then we'll do palettes. So I cannot sell this because it's a cream product, and I probably could just slice off the top and sell it, but I'm not going to do that. I do like this bronzer, so we're just going to go ahead and keep that one because I do like this bronzer, and I did use it to contour. I just bought these. These are the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. I don't know what that smells like. And then this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I actually do use these, so we're going to keep these. The Urban Decay Beach bronzer. This used to be like my go-to bronzer. If you could see, there's like a dent in it. I don't use it anymore, so we're gonna get rid of that one. Ofra, what's the Ofra bronzer duo in River? I actually like this bronzer, so I'm going to keep that one. And if you notice, like, all of my mirrors have that plastic still on them. The Jouer medium to deep duo in Sunkissed and Sunset. I've tried this and I don't like it. I know a lot of people really like this bronzer, but I do not. So I'm going to get rid of that. The Naked Flushed. This is a blush bronzer highlighter, and it's Nooner. That is broken and this is old. So I'm going to get rid of that. The Hoola bronzer. I actually don't use this anymore. I'm going to go ahead and declutter that. This is a sample of the Princess, Park Ave Princess. I have this in another palette, and this is very old, so I'm going to get rid of this one. The Coconut Beach Bronzer by ColourPop. I am not going to use that, nor am I going to use this Wet n Wild bronzer. So that I'm going to declutter. Decluttered over half of my shit already. Okay, this is the Juvia's Place Bella blush. Believe it or not, I actually really like this blush. I know it's dark, but if you do it with a really, really, really light hand, it's actually a really good blush. So I'm going to keep that one. The Natasha Denona In Bloom, I absolutely actually really like this palette. So I'm going to keep that. The Jouer Cheeky Summer Duo Blush Duo, I do not like this. I don't know why I bought it. I think I bought this with the actual bronzer, and I didn't like that either, so we're getting rid of that. Those are barely even touched. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Actually, this is funny. I actually use, this is Berry Adore. It's a very deep blush, but I really like it if you use a light hand. Okay, I really like it, and I do use this a lot. So I'm keeping that. This is a sample of the NARS Orgasm. It's very old. This one's going to be decluttered. All right. The Urban Decay Afterglow in Score. If you look back at my earlier makeup stuff, which I'm probably going to cleanse off of my Instagram. I use this a lot, but I honestly don't think I'm going to use it again. So this one's going to be decluttered. I'm going to still put it in there. That's not that old. Sigma Pink. I love this blush. Look how bright it is. It's like very, very bright. But I absolutely love this blush. It's hilarious. It's like a very, very bright pink. And if you use a light hand, it is really pretty. You won't look like a clown. It just, you got to use the right hand, a light hand. This is the Sigma Nymphia Aurora Powder Face Powder. This is supposed to be a blush, isn't it? Yeah, I can't even open it. Oh my gosh, I can't even open this thing. There it goes. Oh, this is more of a kind of natural color that I don't wear very often. So this is going to be decluttered. The Too Faced Peach Sweetheart Blush in Peach Bellini. It doesn't look like I've used this blush like at all, but I actually really like this. It's a peachy blush, and I'm keeping that one. The Too Faced Strawberry Blush Duo. Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. It smells like strawberries. I don't use, so getting rid of that one. And then the Ofra Blush Duo in Chicklet. This was a collab with Samantha March. So I am going to keep that one. And then these Super Shock Cheek blushes. I'm going to get rid of these two, which are Sugar Coated and Simply Sweet. And I'm going to keep Growth Flirt because I really like this color. I use that often. Alright, so I had two of the little bitty drawers. I put them into one. Now let's do these. This I think I'm gonna get rid of. I have never, like, ever used this. These are Ofra blushes in their little magnetic palette, and Oop, I just dug my finger in there. I've never used them, so I'm gonna get rid of those. Maybe somebody else will want them. Not the one I dug my finger in, though. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And then here's the Volume 1. Even though this one is like very, very out there, this is more geared towards a deeper skin tone. I still use this one. Not this one so much, and I definitely don't use these. But I do love these three colors, and then that one, I mean, it could easily be an eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and keep both of these. The Natasha Denona Sculpting Glow, no, I never did return this. I probably should have, because I don't know. Anyway, I like this, so I'm keeping this. Now, the MAC Star Dipped Face Compact in Medium Deep. I don't even use this. I mean, this is the blush topper, bronzer, highlighter. I don't use this. I'm gonna get rid of that. The Park Ave Princess, the Tarte Park Ave Princess. This is what I'm saying. That I had. What do you call it? Oh my gosh, the same bronzer. So I'm gonna keep this. And then this Becca Be the Light face palette. Come on. I've barely even touched this. I don't use it very often, and you know, it has what you're supposed to use them on. And I do understand what they're trying to do, but I don't use it very often. And this is the medium, light to medium palette. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Alrighty, so yeah, this was a very short video. Maybe I should do some more. No, I don't have anything ready to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here. I kept not as much as I thought I would, so that's a plus. And I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.